Hi there Year 3, I hope you're all well. It's Miss Hare here with this week's spelling lesson. For today you're going to need some paper, a pen or pencil and some colouring pens or colouring pencils, whichever you prefer. Okay, let's go. Your starter today is to have a look at these words. What do you notice about them? Can you put them into two different groups? Pause the video and see what you can find out. Okay, let's talk about what we might have found. Now, I've been looking at these words and I've spotted that some of these words have the letters G, U, E at the end. We've got lots of them all around with G, U, E. Then I noticed some of the other words have got the letters Q, U, E at the end. Now again, they're all at the end of the word. So that could be something we notice, that they're at the end. And now I've kind of got two groups, one with G-U-E and one with Q-U-E. Let's read some of the words and see if we notice anything about how they sound. I'm going to start up here. We've got fatigue, league, dialogue, tongue and catalogue. Now I read all the ones with G, U, E at the end and they actually made a G sound. Let's read the other ones. Unique, check, antique and barbecue. Oh, now this one's a little bit different, but the other three made a K sound. However, this one here, barbecue, does have the letters Q-U-E, but it actually makes the Q sound, barbecue. Okay, so let's focus on the rest of the words in today's spelling. Today's learning objective is to spell words containing G-U-E and Q-U-E. Now remember, these make the G sound, and these letters make the K sound. Here's a list of this week's spelling words. Now, I'd like you to have a go at some chili challenges to do with your spelling words for this week. So chili 1 is to add sound buttons to these words. Chili 2 is to put the words in alphabetical order from A to Z. Chili 3 is to write a sentence for each word. So pause the video and have a go at your chili challenges for these words. Now it's your turn to have a go at a game. This one's called Scrambled Words. Now all of your spellings, I have mixed them up to form scrambled up words, and I'd like you to unscramble them to form one of your spelling words. Now if you really want to push yourself, give yourself a free chili challenge, try and do this activity without looking at your spelling list. Pause the video and have a go yourself. Okay, now we're going to check the answers. I'm going to read each number and I'd like you to shout out what answer you got. Number 1. Well done, it's check. Now remember, we never join up our Q. Number 2. Great job, it's dialogue. Same as our Q, we don't join up our G. Number 3. Well done, antique. Number 4. Great job, unique. Number 5. Tongue, well done. Number 6. The longest, it's catalogue. Number 7. League. Lots of you probably know that word from football. And number 8. Fatigue. Well done. Count how many you got right. Okay, another game that we can play is making a crossword using our spellings for this week. So I've just started with catalogue and I've written that across the middle. Now I'm going to choose any of the other words to go vertically at any point in my word. So I'm going to use dialogue and I'm going to connect it with this L. So I need to make sure that I leave enough space. So D, I, A, L, because it's already there, O, G, U, E. Then I'm going to try and find one that goes horizontally again. So I'm going to now use league. At the top here I've got league. So I'm going to go L, E, A, G, it's already there, U, E. See if you can have a go at your own crossword using all of the spelling words. Off you go. Our final game we're going to play is called Roll the Dice. So what you're going to do is, starting at the top of your spelling list, you're going to roll the dice for each word. And then whichever number your dice lands on is the activity you're going to do for that word. So for example, if you rolled a 2, you would practice that word using rainbow writing. Okay, I'm going to have a go at this game now. So I've got a dice. It's not a normal dice, but it's still got the numbers 1 to 6. If you haven't got a dice at home, you can find one on the internet that you can just click and it will roll for you. So I'm going to roll my dice. 3. Now I'm starting with the first of my spelling words, which is league. So number 3 is backwards. So I'm going to write the word backwards. It's quite hard to do this, you have to practice. So it ends in an E, there's a U, G, A, E, L, league. Okay, I'll have one more go. Okay, so this one I've got 4 and I'm practicing unique next. So I need to write this one in capital letters. Okay, pause the video now, go grab a dice and have a go for yourself. Here are the results for this week's Spelling Shed. Well done to Alice P, who's first in 3C. Well done to Riley, who's first in 3H and first in the school. Well done to Olivia Grace, who's first in 3P. And well done to Noah H, who's first in 3B. You can see down the side in orange is the position which each class is currently in the whole school. So 3H are winning at the moment out of year 3, they're in 4th place. 3C, you're trailing behind in 30th. Let's see if you can boost that up for next week. Well done to everybody who's been on Spelling Shed. Keep up the good work and let's see if you can make it on the leaderboard next week.